I give my best friend head on a regular basis. I have known my best friend for 3 years. We got very close immediately after meeting and spent a lot of time around each other. But stuff never got romantic, sexual at first. A few months ago, we were hanging out at his place watching movies on the sofa like we normally do. We'd both had a couple of beers but nothing crazy. It was cold, so we were under a blanket and pretty close to each other, but again, this wasn't unusual. After a while I was kind of leaning on him and my hand dropped close to his lap. And I realized he was semi-hard. He was wearing loose pajama pants and no boxes, so it was kind of obvious. He sort of froze a little when I brushed it by accident. And then, I don't know what came over me, but I touched it properly and he moaned. I started jerking him off, and after a couple of minutes put my head under the blanket